So you need to change a DNS record, swap an IP address, update an MX record. If you make the change right now, clients that cache the old value could be affected for hours. Let me show you how a ResourceIT user handles this safely. Open the domain, and instead of editing directly, click TTL and Scheduling, and click Schedule Change. Select the record you want to change, and click Next. Enter the new value, and click Next. ResourceIT gives you the option to start the change immediately or schedule it for later. ResourceIT automatically creates a two-stage workflow. First, it lowers the TTL on the current record so DNS caches expire quickly. Then, after the TTL window closes, it applies your new value. Once you set it up, both stages are recorded, what changed, when, and who scheduled it. So if you need to make DNS changes safely without causing a service disruption, want to coordinate changes across a team with staging and approvals, or simply need a clear record showing what changed, when it was scheduled, and who approved it, check out ResourceIT.com.